Hello and welcome to Foundations of Hacking and Pentesting Android Apps. My name is Scott and I'm a general security researcher as well as someone who specializes in working with Android applications and finding security vulnerabilities in Android applications. My goal with this course is to teach you a lot of the fundamentals and foundations of Android hacking. Being able to take a look at an APK, decompile it as I'm showing here now, and be able to go through the code and get a feel for some of the common types of vulnerabilities that might exist in Android applications, to be able to find them in your own applications as well as find them in other applications, to be able to report these security vulnerabilities to help us secure Android applications for all of the users that might be using them. So in general, throughout this course, you can expect to learn a few different things. You'll learn how to utilize tools like Drozer to be able to check out application attack surfaces and scan for different types of common vulnerabilities. You'll also learn how to use tools like JADX GUI in order to decompile applications, to be able to actually look at the source code to find a lot of vulnerable and typical vulnerabilities inside of applications. A lot of the vulnerabilities that we'll be taking a look at are going to be things like access control violations, issues with hard coding different code into the application that may expose things like passwords or different API keys. We'll take a look at input validation with things like SQL injections or being able to force browse to files that exist on side of a device. We'll also take a look at different methods of insecure data storage and get an idea of what this code typically looks like and how you're able to find it and be able to exploit it through an application. So I hope that this is something that could be interesting to you. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm always happy to help everybody inside of my courses, and I really want to make sure that you can get a good handle on this because it's very exciting and interesting stuff, and I think it's a lot of fun to be able to learn this content and be able to apply it.